This is going to be the first video. I will make a series of videos. I don't know how many, but I kind of want to break down the reasoning for placing stairs where they might do a little better in a particular home and the reasons why. So let's go ahead and get started. This particular stairway seems functional. It goes up a couple of steps to a landing and then up to another landing and back up. And it's close to the kitchen. This is definitely a plus. You want to be close to the refrigerator, want to be close to the front door, the garage, a bathroom, and of course the bedroom. So for those of you who aren't quite grasping this, you're not real, I can look at a floor plan and kind of see what's going on. Let me go ahead and go to a different view here. Okay, here we are. We have our master bedroom here, a bathroom here, our stairs, two bedrooms. Just kind of want to go around here just to give you an idea for those of you that aren't getting it with just looking at the floor plan. So here's kind of what I'm thinking. You go downstairs, you're in the bedroom. You've got, you're a little thirsty, or maybe you got to leave, you got to go get in your car. So you're way over here. You're going to go down the stairway. And then let's go down the stairs. I switched the levels here. Down here, you're going to go into the garage. You're going to go into the kitchen, get a drink. Maybe you got to go through the front door, go get your mail, something like that. The point I want to make here is that the stairway needs to be as close to important rooms as possible. Needs to be close to the front door. Front door, you're up here, the doorbell rings, you come down here. And again, this is an excellent layout. In some of the other ones that I am going to design, I will give you some more ideas of the farther away you are, the more exercise you're going to get in. And again, if you don't mind exercising, knock yourself out. Put the stairs wherever you want. If you're somebody who would like to make everything as convenient as possible, pay attention, because the front door is important. The garage access is important. A bathroom is important. And of course, the refrigerator is usually going to be important. You're in the living room going to get a drink or something like that. This stairway is not going to be a big deal. You're upstairs and you're in the bedroom here and you got to come down the stairway to get a drink. It's going to be. And again, this is a good layout. This is a good layout. The only problem I have with this particular stairway would be to make sure that, or concern, would be to make sure that you have enough headroom here for the stairs that come up. So here you can see we have 2 steps. And if I go downstairs, we actually have 3 steps. So in an 8-foot tall ceiling, this could actually, I'm sure it's going to work because I already drew this up here. So it should work fine. But it could be a concern if you're going to come down 4 steps, for example, or try to move the floor over a little bit. So back up. Oops, back up. So if we were to move the floor over to here, not going to work. It's not going to happen. So the floor might have to move back a little farther depending upon your stair design. So that's concern number 1. Concern number 2, anytime you got to turn, and here we have 2 turns, you might have a problem getting furniture up here. So if you have a handrail on the side, let's go back to the view here. So if you have a handrail here, and you are going to try and move a large dresser up here and make a turn and stuff like that, it might not happen. So those are my only 2 concerns with this particular design is for the stairs. I like the stairs. They're in a good location. And when I say it's nice to have them centrally located, they can actually be off to the side and still be somewhat centrally located in smaller homes. So I'm going to go ahead and stop right there. I will put links here and I'll put a playlist together when I get videos, more videos made in the future. But what I would like to do, my grand plan, is just to put together a few videos that will get you thinking about just exactly how important it is to position a stairway in a building or a home. And, you got to keep in mind convenient rooms. This is very important. Doors, bathrooms, refrigerators, right? This is very important. So if you just watch this video, you should get the gist of it right here. You're not quite sure, you need a little more, then go ahead and watch the other videos I make in the future.